Hi, my name is Diptarko Mukhopadhyay and I am Technology Operations Engineer at TestRite Nanosystems. So TestRite is an IIT Delhi startup that manufactures indigenous, customizable and portable spectroscopic devices. We have products that ranges all the way from the UV visible spectrophotometer. We have the visible near infrared spectrophotometer. We also have India's first indigenous Raman spectrometer, and we also have portable fluorometer devices. So today we are going to demonstrate a very novel way of estimating and studying the fluorescent spectra in solids using our Prism FluoroMod fluorometer device. So coming to the construction of the Prism FluoroMod fluorometer device for solids, it consists of an excitation source, which consists of narrow bandwidth, high intensity sources with appropriate filter set. And then we have TestRite's indigenous fiber coupled spectrometer, that is a detector. And here is the Y probe. So let's connect it. So here we connect one end to the 365 nanometer excitation source. And then the other end goes to the detector, that is the spectrometer part. And there we have it. These are our samples. This is a fluorescent paper. This is a piece of regular A4 sheet paper, and A4 sheet paper has certain whiteners which give a very good fluorescence. And this is another fluorescent material. And then we have two commonly used plastic items, and we also intend to study fluorescence in plastics. And then we intend to understand how fluorescence can be very helpful in identifying counterfeit currency notes. Now that we are ready to begin, let's go to the software. This is TestRite's advanced software suite, which is compatible with Windows, Mac, and Ubuntu. And currently it is in the live spectra recording mode. And here we have our samples. So look at the fluorescence emitted by the white A4 sheet paper. You can see this with the naked eye. So the spectrometer allows us to see which exact wavelength is being emitted, which is very helpful to understand the material properties and compositions. Here we have fluorescence for this fluorescent paper. And again for the A4 paper. And for this fluorescent material also. Fluorescence can be a very powerful tool for manufacturers of papers in their quality control departments so that they can ensure the consistency of quality across their batches. Next, we intend to see the fluorescent spectra of plastic in this plastic pen. So there we have it. And also in this plastic lighter. Fluorescence can thus be used to differentiate between different plastics. And finally, we have the most interesting application, that is fluorescence in identifying counterfeit notes. So this is the fluorescent strip, and as we can see, by pointing the probe only here, the fluorescence is visible. And there we have the spectra. Lots of fluorescent dyes are used in currencies that can be characterized using spectroscopy. And a note counterfeiter will not have access to these dyes. So fluorescent spectra can be used as a quick tool to test for fake currency notes. We have demonstrated fluorescence in solid samples like paper, like plastics, and also currency notes using our fluorometer device. In case of liquid samples, we also provide customizable configurations for liquid, that is cuvette-based systems, where we can simply plug in the cuvette here and place this excitation module in front of a spectrometer to observe fluorescence in liquids. These devices can be easily mounted on a process for continuous online monitoring. Thank you for your time, and for any concerns or queries, you can contact us in the email ID and contact number being displayed on the screen. Have a good day.